Hello everyone, Hatem Ali for Objection back again with the newest news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you the Apple Watch Series 4 and we have here the iPhone Max. Okay, let's open. We did update for the Apple Watch. Okay, we want to show you now. This is such a cute thing as you see here. We did the 5.1.2. Okay. Let's show you here that we done the update and what happened after the update. Okay, what's the new things happen, what's not happen. I see updates completely useless here. About enter here the version 5.1.2. okay, look, number one, my issues that I want to talk about. There is no ECG. Okay, see, as you see guys by yourself. Wait, look here, where's the ECG? I mean, they don't tell me this is cheap acting from iPhone, that they say this is for the America and at the moment and this is not from America. First of all, I register my phone as America. Okay, I register it as United States, and here my region I make it United States. So what is the difference? I didn't see, you know, when I done the update I didn't see anything exchange. All the option before the update still the same, before and after the update. There is no ECG, sorry, here. Okay, this is number one. And number two, the sucks thing in this watch that it don't have website. You don't have web. You cannot download web here. You got me? There is no web. Just you cannot use internet here. But it's so important to have website. It's so important to have net here. It doesn't have. Okay. Number one. Number two, there is no ECG. And this is, I buy the watch for the ECG. Okay, ECG is not available. I change here and see. I did the update. Okay, I did so guys, as you see, I did the update. I mean, to be honest with you, the phone full of issues. The watch, there is nothing in the iPhone is complete. Oh, you know guys, let me show you something. Okay, watch here. You know, here is, let's see that I want to use the Memoji. Okay, look, I cannot use it. See, it doesn't work. Memoji here is not working. Some phones work, some phones not work. See, I cannot use Memoji. This is until now I cannot use it. Just even when I look, let's say now I did my face. Okay, I will record. Okay, I record. Okay, and now I will stop record. Okay, you cannot save it. Look, you cannot save what you record. Memoji here does not work, and here there is no EKG, there is no internet. Just the only benefit that I got from the payment through NFC. This is the only thing that I can pay through this watch. I mean, guys, I'm telling you. If you think that the update have something, and by the way, I don't understand. It looks like music is not working in the watch. I download music. Look, guys, when I download music, he say, connect your Bluetooth speaker. So, which is mean this is so why I need these fucking speakers here? It's kind of useless. You got me? See, I cannot enjoy the music. See, he say directly. He not. Yeah. See, he say, connect to the device or headphone or headphone Bluetooth. I don't need. I want to hear in the watch. It's not working. See, he's not. Yeah, see, he not let me even only an iPhone and songs. See, it doesn't only an iPhone here. Not let me. Doesn't let me download any. I mean, doesn't let me allow to play the music here. Go fuck yourself. So I mean, I see, guys. This. My advice, if you are iPhone user, and my advice to change the stretch at all. Now Samsung S10 Plus will appear and he will swallow all market. But anyway, my advice, if you are iPhone user, buy Samsung watch, better for you. This is take it from me. I mean, I'm advising you. You will not enjoy any option here. No internet, music you cannot enjoy on him. No ECG, nothing. This is garbage watch. I mean, it's useless watch, and phone are also useless, and fucking nothing here is working well. Here, full of issues. full of mistakes, this phone. I'm not satisfied about all this trash. I'm not, guys, you know my channel, I not compliment anything. If something useful, buy for yourself Note 9, buy for yourself Samsung Watch. You will be the best thing at all. See here, I done, look, held. Where is the ECG? Doesn't work here, look. There is nothing. This one is not original program. This cardiology for Apple, this is not, it's not original one. The original one came with the phone. So this is all my opinion, and I'm telling you guys, stay away from this trash. Don't buy this shit and stay away. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hope to see you again in another video. Peace and bye with Hatem Ali for objection. And you don't update, there is no any change. See, it is the same. Nothing in the watch change. Peace, bye for everyone.